welcome back. So I have here the mystery box from Young Nails. I purchased all three. This one is the large. And if you haven't already, go ahead and grab your cuticle oil and rub it on your cuticles. Alright, so we have the 32 ounce nail liquid monomer. Oh my god. A 32 ounce swipe. 2 precision gel applicators, Synergy Gel, White Sculpture, and Concealer Pink. 2 ounces, I think. And we have 2 transfer foils that will only come in this box. There's the marble, and I really like the pink and the purple and the blue one. They're so cute. And then we have these someone in the stream for Twitch, Young Nails Twitch, called this a Christmas themed gift wrapping kind. And we have a base gel, Synergy, 60 grams. We have 85 grams of Speed Clear, Cover Pink, Speed White, and Core White. I was holding on for dear life for this box right there. That almost fell out. Like, everything almost fell out. And in this box we have not my daughter's hand. Protein Bond. We all know and love Protein Bond. Rose Quartz. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. Manicure Top. Stain Resistant Gel Top Coat. Yes. Yellow Neon. I really like this color. It's so cute. Wild Fig. Now this color, oh my god. Actually, all these colors are pretty. French Mink. Manicure base for these gel colors. Aquamarine. And we have foil transfer base for the foils. Champagne. And Scarlet, a sexy red. I really like this red. Oh, and sheer pink. And all of this here is $500 worth of products for only $100, the large mystery box. Thank you, Young Nails. And moving on to this box. This is a $30 box and it has like $100 worth of products. This is box A. It comes with the striper brush. Can never have too many of those. You get the micro detailer brush, which I needed another one really, really bad. So glad it came with a micro detailer brush. And you get the full cover coffin nail tips, and it comes with glue. Oh my god, I am so excited. I'm so excited. I've wanted to try the Young Nails full cover tips for the longest time. And it comes with glue. Obviously, I don't know how to close a box. Sorry. And you get these 5 Mission Control paints, gel paints. I forgot. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that it came with their silver Mission Control paint, because I really needed that one. So you get Fizz, which is the white one. The black one is Overdrive. Mega Jam is the purple one, and I think that other one is Sonic. Yay! So happy. I'm so glad I made this purchase. These purchases, I'm sorry. I really needed that other detailer brush. So this one is box B. And when I open boxes, I like to cut away from myself, not towards myself. So you get a, I think that's the 6-ounce nail liquid. Oh my god, I can't believe we got a lot of nail liquid. That is so cool. If you got all the boxes. This is the conversion top, and I think the other one is the conversion base. So I guess you use these if you want to use the slick pour powder as a dip. Someone please correct me. That's what I thought this was for. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. This one's Jazz Note. And don't worry, I will open them and you guys can see them. So that's Whitest White. This one is Body Glove. Under the Radar. I think Under the Radar is a clear one that they said. And this one is Jade Smoke. And the last one is Messy as Hell. It's called Wine Flight. It's messy as hell, but I mean, it's nothing that I can't take off with wipes, so. Okay, Nail Beauties, and that was box B. You get 6 slick pour colored acrylic, the monomer, and the conversion. I mean, not the conversion. The base and top for using slick pour. And there's box A again. Both of those are $30 for. Each box is like $100 worth of products. Thank you so much, Young Nails. I love my boxes, and I hope everyone out there loves their boxes too. And for those of you that don't know, you should definitely come and join us on the Young Nails Twitch server, and you might get to cop one of those stickers for free. All right. And Young Nails, you said you were going to do it even bigger next year, so I'll be waiting. Thank you guys for hanging with me today and unboxing these mystery boxes. I will catch you in the next one. Bye!